Hello, friend. Today's story is about one of my friends. Let the tale unfold. Thomas and his friends had embarked on a camping adventure deep within the forest. The moon hung low, casting eerie shadows through the dense foliage. As the clock neared 9 o'clock, they set up camp, their laughter echoing amidst the ancient trees. The night unfolded with a feast of barbecue and camaraderie. They danced around the flickering campfire, their spirits high. Games were played and songs were sung, the forest absorbing their joy. But as the clock struck 2:30 a.m., a chill crept into the air. The campfire's flames waned, threatening to die out. Thomas and some of the others ventured into the woods, their torches piercing the darkness. They gathered sticks and logs, determined to keep the fire alive. And then it happened, the whistle. A haunting sound carried by the wind. It seemed to come from their left, but when they shone their torches in that direction, it shifted to the right. Panic set in. This wasn't one of their friends playing a prank, it was something else entirely. The whistle grew louder, faster and closer. Their breaths quickened as they glimpsed a fleeting figure, a blur of movement. It raced past them, inches from their faces, leaving them breathless and bewildered. They screamed, abandoning their firewood, and sprinted back to camp, hearts pounding. Their shoes lay forgotten in the forest, left behind in their frantic flight. When they recounted the tale to their skeptical friends, some scoffed, dismissing it as imagination. But the villagers confirmed their fears the next morning. The forest was indeed haunted, its ancient secrets stirring in the moonlight. Thanks for watching, and please share and like.